Glad you joined us on 3-day weather focus. Satellite picture before me depicted part of weather system that started very early in the morning and affect part of Borno, Adama, Taraba, and Yobe State that move westward to affect a part of Jigawa and Kano State. We expect this weather system to persist in the late afternoon evening period to affect a part of Borno, Adama, Taraba, Gombe, Bauchi, Jigawa, Zamfara, and Katsina State. Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory, Nasarawa, Benue, Kogi, and Niger State will not be left out in the late afternoon evening period, while the southernmost part of the country expected to have isolated rains. Temperature focus is showing 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 degrees Celsius, with the highest temperature focus 37 degrees Celsius in Borno State. Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory, 29 degrees Celsius, I beg your pardon, while the southernmost part of the country 26 to 32 degrees Celsius. Air quality index is showing unhealthy for sensitive group over Yobe, Jigawa, and Zamfara State, while the remaining part of the country is showing pretty good. By Saturday, there are prospects of isolated thunderstorms over part of Borno, Adama, Taraba, and part of Kaduna State, Jigawa, and Zamfara State, while the remaining part of the north will be partly cloudy to cloudy atmosphere. The north central region is expected to have isolated thunderstorms over part of Benue and Kogi states, while the southernmost part of the country isolated rains. In the afternoon evening period is looking pretty good for thunderstorms activities over the northwestern flank of the country, while the north central region is expected to have isolated thunderstorms in the late afternoon evening period, while rains is expected over the southernmost part of the country. Temperature focus is showing 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 degrees Celsius over the northern region, while the north central down to the southernmost part of the country 38 to 32 degrees Celsius. Air quality index is showing unhealthy for sensitive group over the extreme northern region, while the remaining part of the country is showing pretty good. By Sunday, partly cloudy to cloudy atmosphere is expected with isolated thunderstorms over part of Borno, Adamawa, Taraba, Kaduna, and Kano State, and part of Katsina, while the north central region is expected to be partly cloudy to cloudy atmosphere, while rains are expected over the southeast coast of the country. In the afternoon evening period, the bulk of activities is expected to be over the northern region, the north central, and down to the southernmost part of the country. Temperature focus is showing 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 degrees Celsius over the northern region, while 29 to 32 degrees Celsius from north central down to the southernmost part of the country. Air quality index is showing unhealthy for sensitive group over the extreme northern region, while moderate to none almost everywhere in the country. And that's our bit for 3-day weather focus. I remain Suleiman Gurin.